So if you're using Hostinger website builder to run your online store, you can change some things about the checkout. You just need to go to the store settings. So I'm going to show you in this video. So what you need to do, we're going to have to go to website settings here. Then we're going to click on edit website. So from here, we're going to have to click on online store, and select store settings. And then here in store settings, you can go to checkout here, and then here you can actually require a phone number at a checkout, add a custom field to the checkout. Let's say you have to, I don't know, just add a custom field to the checkout. Make custom field mandatory as well. You can enable terms and conditions and store language English. And now because we enabled this, we're gonna have require phone number at the checkout. So sorry, I forgot to actually add the terms and conditions here. Just add your terms and conditions. Example URL. So add your terms and conditions, and then let me go to the store, and let's click on update a website. I want to show you this view sites, and now when I click on store, I'll select this $1 product. What it is, should be here, I think. Okay, not here. Anyway, doesn't matter actually. Add to bag, checkout, and then here we are going to also have of course, the country, and then here we record the phone number. Okay, so we do have now require phone number. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have more questions, leave your questions down below.